So today we're at the Houston Community College Southeast Campus, and we're hosting the District 8 SkillsUSA Welding Competition. We have approximately 100 students from the surrounding school districts that are here participating in the welding competition. And the students that place first, second, and third are going to be able to go to the state competition and represent their high schools at the state competition in Corpus Christi.
I learned about this event and I'm here as part of the American Welding Society's Houston chapter. So the American Welding Society is a great resource in the welding industry. They have a lot of informative material, and the local chapters are also a great way to make connections within the welding industry, both with welders, with engineers, with inspectors. It gives you a great opportunity to network and meet others in the industry.
So I'd like to thank District 8 SkillsUSA Director, Ms. Ramirez, for the opportunity to host this competition, and I look forward to hosting it next year. And I also want to thank the employers that have donated their time. Also want to thank the American Welding Society Houston chapter for volunteering their time and for being here today at this event.